Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Yahoo Finance to your brokerage holdings list. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Finance website. Log into your Yahoo account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the My Portfolio section on the top menu. Click on Create Portfolio to start a new holdings list. You will be prompted to enter a name for your portfolio. Fill in the name as desired and click on Create. After creating your portfolio, click on Add Symbols to input your holdings. Type in the stock ticker symbols for the investments you own. For each ticker, you can specify the quantity, purchase price, and date of purchase. Once you've added all your holdings, review the list for accuracy. If everything looks good, click Save to finalize your portfolio. To link your brokerage account, go back to the My Portfolio section. Find the option that says Import from Brokerage. You will see a list of supported brokerages. Select your brokerage from the list. Follow the prompts to securely log in to your brokerage account. Grant Yahoo Finance the requested permissions to access your holdings. Once connected, confirm the link and allow Yahoo to import your holdings. The imported investments will now appear in your Yahoo Finance portfolio. You can periodically refresh the data to ensure it stays up to date. To analyze your investments, use the various tools and charts available on Yahoo Finance. Explore portfolio management features to track performance over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.